Hey everybody, it's Chad with NoBuddies Show. We're back here at Pioneer Village in Minden, Nebraska, talking about the cars that you guys have sponsored. Yes, you, the viewers, have helped us out, helped Pioneer Village. Last year we did 4. We're going to take a quick look at those 4 because we raised enough money to re-sponsor all 4 of those. Plus we're going to add a 5th one that we're going to throw in here at the end of this video. We're going to start off with the first 2 that we picked. 2 pieces of history. Actual pieces of history that GM and Ford don't even have because they are here at the Pioneer Village in Minden, Nebraska in the Harold Work Collection. This is the second oldest Cadillac known to exist. 1902, designed by Henry Ford. Yes, he was involved with the group of investors that became Cadillac. You guys stepped up and sponsored this last year, and you've also donated the money to sponsor it again this year. Along with the second oldest Cadillac known to exist, we also did the oldest Ford known to exist. This is not in Dearborn. This is not in the Ford collection. This is at Pioneer Village in Minden, Nebraska. You guys stepped up, adopted this car, helped out the museum by making those donations. And we've done a full video on these cars, so you can go check out the full video where we did full walk-arounds on both of these, and these cars are almost identical. But there again, Henry Ford had a hand in both of them. Started with the investors that became Cadillac. They had a falling out. He went off to form a little company known as Ford. And they have the 2 cars here from the beginning of that in their collection at Pioneer Village. Thanks to you guys, we're helping sponsor them. We're helping this museum along. Let's go check out a couple more we've got done, and then we're going to reveal the 5th one that we're doing this year, thanks to you guys. Last year, we did this pair, this set, the Henry J and the Allstate. The Henry J, available at your local Kaiser dealer. The Allstate, available through your local Sears and Roebuck catalog. 2 neat little cars, built on the same body, with several minor differences, but very, very similar. We've got our plaques right here in front of these cars, stepped up, sponsored by you guys. So, wanted to share these with you. You guys are helping making this happen. Wanted to share with you once again where your money's going, what we're doing here, and thanks to you guys for making it happen. Well, here it is. This is what you guys chose. I know just a few of you had time to chime in. This has been a bananas couple of days. So much going on here at Pioneer Village, trying to get content shot, and didn't get that information up late, but I did check and see what everybody wanted. And the car that we want to sponsor, number 5, that the NoBuddies are going to sponsor right here, this Chevy C10. Now, this truck's a little bit rough. It's banged up a little bit. It's got some chips in the paint. It's got rust in the rockers and the cab corners. But that's because this Chevy was a pickup they used here on the property at Harold Warp's Pioneer Village. It was a 1970. They bought it in 74 as a used pickup. Put over 200,000 miles on it while they were using it around the property, running errands. This was a workhorse for several years here at the museum. So it's not a high point show car. It's got dings, it's got dents, but it's just the way it was used. Last tagged in '89, so they used this pickup for about 15 years before they found a home for it in here in the collection with the Chevrolets. And I think it deserves its place here. You know, this collection is not high point, over the top, restored show cars. This collection showcases originality, unmolested, untouched. And that is what this truck is. So many of these things have been over-restored, overdone. This is just an old, honest-to-goodness C10 work truck. CST custom sport truck, had the extra side moldings and trim on it, and just a basic old truck. In fact, still has stuff in the back of it from when it was being used, or actually just used for storage here possibly. But this is the one you guys chose. We're going to give them some money to help sponsor this vehicle. So, super excited for you guys for what you do. This is an amazing collection. You know I love it. My dad came here as a kid. He brought me here as a kid. I brought Addie here as a kid. It's a special collection. You've got to be here. You've got to check it out. And I'm so proud of the fact that you guys step up every year, round up your auction purchases. When you buy raffle tickets, you throw a couple bucks in. And we're going to donate that money and sponsor 5 vehicles for this year from the NoBuddies of NoBuddies show. So, and this is all you guys. This isn't me. This is you guys stepping up, helping out the collection here. And I'm super proud that we can do that for these guys. So anyway, there it is. The 1970 Chevy C10, CST10 custom sport truck half-ton pickup that was used here on the grounds as a workhorse for years and now has its spot in the collection in its retirement. So we've got the 1902 Cadillac, the 1903 Ford, the Henry J, and the Allstate going in with that collection of the NoBuddies sponsorships, the 1970 Chevy CST10 Pioneer Village work truck, affectionately and comfortingly retired into the collection.